In the back room. It's all good though.
Are they really? Oh.
Yeah, they're in my mom's room. Let's go fucking get them up.
No.
Ooh, girl. Talk me like electric eel. Okay, bitches.
That is so cute, you guys.
It's time to get up, motherfuckers.
You guys, it's like late.
Why are they really asleep? If you're gonna sleep, go sleep in my room. Bitches, so get up.
They're
Here, look,
smell it.
Change rooms.
Scoot it back when you guys.
Change rooms, bitches. Go into my room.